line items for customers with the Fiori app and the transaction code in SAP S/4HANA system. My name is Nuno Dias, and I've been working with SAP since 2001 with my main focus in finance area. I work as an SAP FICO Contract. In case you want to reach me out for projects, please find my LinkedIn ID in the description of this video. If you are just now reaching to this channel, its name is SAP at a Glance, and the aim is to share SAP knowledge. Therefore, do not forget, subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. In the version ECC6, we have the transaction code FBL5N to see the line items, the open items or the cleared items of customers. But in SAP S/4HANA, we still have this transaction code active. In the S/4HANA, SAP has announced this transaction with the Fiori app, with the name Manage Customer Line Items. And now, without any further ado, let's start and let's go to the system. Now we are in the SAP GUI, and then we are going to investigate the transaction code FBL5N to see the line items of the customers. I'm going to put the customer just to avoid to spend much time running the program. So we are going to put the customer. This is my company code, and then I will want to see open items until this date. If I run this, I will get the open items, which means the invoices that the customer did not pay yet, and this is like in bold, it means that is overdue. So from here, we can double click, we can enter in the document itself, we can see the document and go back. We can create a dispute case if you have the dispute management implemented, or we can go also for the correspondence and make a correspondence request from here selecting the item. So if I want to show you the cleared items, I just need to click in cleared items and we see that everything is green. So this customer paid everything, and then we have the clearing document. As is known, you can click here and you can add these fields that are hidden in the other sides. So for example, the posting date I wanted to add here, I just do this, I copy and I get the posting date there, and then we can save this as a variant if we wish. So far so good. I hopefully you are enjoying this video as me doing for you. Please make a like to us. And then we are going to go for the Fiori app. So this is the Fiori LAUNCHPAD. If you don't know how to navigate yet, there is links for the videos to learn how to do it. If you struggle how to find Fiori apps in the SAP Fiori library, there is also another link in the description of this one. So our tile today is Manage Customer Line Items. I'm going to click here. This is the UI5 Fiori app, which means it is exclusive of the Fiori LAUNCHPAD. So here I will be doing the same thing. I'm going to insert my customer. So my customer is there. Open items. I can choose here if I want clear all items, so I can choose like in the other transaction codes, and then normal items or a special shell transaction noted items as in the other company codes. Apart from this, I have here other fields that I can add. All of these fields, they can be added. For example, the account group. If I have here the account group, I have the account group here to choose which account group I want to use in my selection. But for our case, the account, we are using the customer directly, so we just need to press and go. This was not selecting anything because the company code is this one, not the S400. Okay, now I have the data here, and then what we can do, we can see what is going on. So there is here some information, create correspondence, as in the transaction code. We have the correspondence here. We can choose what type of correspondence we want to add. And if we see, we jumped already for the create correspondence Fiori app. We are not going to choose. This is just an example. In here, we have also the block for dining or unlock for dining. For example, if I choose a few of them, I don't want these invoices if they are overdue, which is the case here. I can block for dining. So they will not invoice by verification, YouTube tests. Now it's saved. In here, I can go and I can click and then done in block. If we see here, we have done this blocking for dunning. We can do other things, unlock for dunning or block for payment, which doesn't make much sense to make any block for payment because we want to receive money from our clients. Here we have also the option to edit the line items. I'm just going to click just for you to see. These are the fields that we can be doing the editing of the line items. From here, we can also extract this to a spreadsheet. Let's do it quickly. Going to customers, which means that all information that we have here in this screen is going to be in our spreadsheet. So good for doing some analysis to export. It's pretty simple now to export things to Excel using the Fiori app. Another thing that I like to remind, we can go here and we can click our variants. I have already one variant there that I have already created, which is pretty simple. We just need to go and we make save as, and then we set as public and then set as default if we want to use it directly. So now I'm going to run again and then also, so now also if I want to change the layout with columns and then I want to use it for the second time, I can do the same thing. I can click here and I can make a save as, and I will say SAP for all, put as public so everybody can see it, and I have my my option, which means that if I'm getting go out of here and I go enter again in the manage. So if I go here, I have SAP for all saved before, so I can run it. When I run it here also, I can go for the SAP for all and get my layout. Simple as is. If you enjoyed this Fiori app, please make some comments. Now you know how to display line items for customers using a Fiori app or a transaction code in SAP S/4HANA. Thanks for watching this video. You can find the next video in the description of this one. Please do not forget, subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. See you in the next video.